Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we are going to take a look at what other settings do I have for images. Right now we are inside the media library feature inside Squirrly Social. So what options do you have? By clicking on a particular image, we can see the options over here. We can click over here to use in post. This will instantly add the image to a new social media post, as we can see over here. We can delete the image if we want to. This will remove the image from the media library. We can move it to a different folder from over here by selecting the folder and then click on Move File. We have suggested post text over here, where we can write a recommended caption for future posts using this image. And then we have to click on this button, Save Suggested Text. And then we have file notes over here. Over here you can add internal notes about the image, where it came from, how it's meant to be used, and so on. And then once again we have to click on this button, Save Notes, like so. So those tools helps you stay organized, plan content more efficiently, and reuse images with clarity and purpose. Until next time.